Hello lighting friends. In this video, we are talking about these fantastic DIY kits from Lighting Warehouse. Everything you need to put together your very own outdoor lighting system. Gini Trask here for Lighting Warehouse. Let's light your way. This particular kit is the DIY Kit 3, just one example of our lovely DIY kits that you can purchase on Lighting Warehouse. Our kits include all the pieces that you need to make a small lighting system. This kit includes your transformer, 100 feet of wire, 2 path lights, 4 uplights, lamps for your fixtures, and it even includes wire strippers. Now we have other kits with different configurations and styles of lighting as well. Now, despite the incredibly affordable price, every product in this kit is excellent quality. We have several videos on this little guy here. He's a stainless steel programmable transformer. So if you're wondering why I'm making a big deal about it being stainless steel, there are some transformers out there with plastic or aluminum housings, and this is good quality stainless steel. It is truly built to last. Now, check out our video on this little guy, the Kichler 12217, for more information on how awesome this transformer is. The fixtures in this kit are solid brass and are very sturdy, and the finish is just beautiful. So you get 100 feet of 12 gauge wire. Now be careful if you're doing comparison shopping. I've seen a lot of kits out there that are sold by other online stores at a higher price point, but with thinner wire. A lot of kits online come with only 14 gauge wire. It's smaller and less robust than this 12 gauge. The 12 gauge allows for longer runs and more wattage. So buy our kits with 12 gauge wire. It's a better deal for a higher quality product. And even these wire strippers are top notch. So these are quality, definitely not some junk that we just threw in. This is a quality tool that's gonna last you a very long time. The kit even includes silicone-filled wire connectors. So you can easily add more items to the kit if you want more path lights, uplights, or other types of fixtures. This kit can be a base from which to create a larger system. The Kichler transformer is a 200 watt transformer. Now, you should never max out a transformer, so at most you should have about 180 watts of lamps or integrated fixtures for this guy. But the included lamps in this particular kit are only about 17 watts. So you've still got room for 163 more watts. You can make a much bigger lighting system using this kit as your base with this transformer. So whether you just want to install a small DIY kit or you want a base kit that's a great value that you can add a lot of other fixtures to, check out the DIY kits on lightingwarehouse.com. They are a totally impressive value. Lighting Warehouse has the fixtures, lamps, and other accessories to make your landscape lighting dreams come true. Buy it all today on lightingwarehouse.com.